welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are at our counter and today we are gonna start working or continue working on the cabinets. And in this case there's gonna be absolutely no cabinets here. This is all gonna be drawers here and also on that side and one on the bottom. So it's gonna be 5 drawers we have to install today. Today we're just gonna do the drawer part with all the mechanism. And then another video we're gonna do all the beauty, which is all the front and all the surrounding, and just finish it up. So let's get started and build this. How do I get under there to screw them on?
I think the oven needs to go.
No. I think I just need to become a Spider-Man. I mean, this is how I repair the car, so it's kind of the same thing. It barely fits.
You look like you have an oven head.
So we have finished all the sliders. So they're all installed and they're pretty nice. The only thing I'm missing is the soft close, but with soft close, a lot more expensive. And there is this little soft close little cylinder you can add at the end of the drawer. So maybe we install that. We see how good those work. But let's get on now to make the drawers themselves. And we actually got a deal. We got these ones here. So these are actually sawdust compressed. It's kind of like OSB, but a bit differently. You probably have seen this. This is what most furniture is made out of, and a lot of the counters, furniture in the counters is going to be made out of this instead of plywood. This is a cheaper alternative, and we got it for a really good deal. We got these €2 each. We just got 6 pieces. We got enough, perfectly enough. Actually, I calculated exactly to finish all of this. So yeah, we're gonna get on with starting to do that. So we have to actually go and cut 10 centimeters off because these are just a bit too long, but the width is exactly perfect for here. I don't know about the bottom, that needs to be cut, but here it's exactly perfect. And then we're gonna add sides and make it just a box, attach it, and then it's done. Kind of the basic part of it. So yeah, let's get started. using all what we bought. Okay, voila. See. How do you like my glue work? It's pretty good. Så där ser vi. Läppis. Vad är det inne?
Is that your new house?
Push it in, see if it goes all the way flush. Tight?
Yeah. Why does the last one have to do with trouble?
Yeah. So as you can see, it is all done and they are working really well. I'm surprised myself. It did take quite a lot of tinkering around to make them really perfect. I would like them to have soft close, so you know, you just close it and they close themselves. But we can always add that in the future. And yeah, this last one did give us some trouble, but I ended up making it perfect. So I'm pretty happy. Of course, they're not gonna stay like this, don't worry. It's gonna have a facade, kind of. So they're gonna have actual live edge wood. So hopefully we can find pieces that big, because those are pretty giant. And they're gonna cover up the whole thing and make it pretty nice. So it's not gonna stay like this, not to worry. And yeah, that's gonna be probably not in the next time. Next time we need to still keep going, since we did not add this one here. So this one's still sitting here. And also there we didn't add one, we want one as well. So there's still a lot of work. It's actually not as fast as it looks in the video, it does go quite slowly, even though we did this in only a few hours. But you know, to do the whole thing, it does take quite a while. But I hope you enjoyed this, and this looks pretty nice. Despina is gonna enjoy all this space that you can put a lot of things in. And we're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah, now we can finally put all the mixer, we have the multi-mixer and the cooking mixer can all go in one place. Beautiful. And Keita, what are you doing there? Noises in the back.
Eating passionately.